Okay, so the last time we worked Apache, we had a little bit of a buck going on, which was not exactly a pleasant experience. So what we've done is we've gone back to basics. We went back to our groundwork. We've worked a lot on the ground, and we've started in the saddle. We've gotten control. We've moved her head, her neck, her shoulders, her rib cage, and her hindquarters. We've done a lot of side passing. We've also done a lot of obstacle works, but all at a trot. We haven't really sped up to go to that lope yet, because that seems to be what she had a problem with. Her tail was getting kind of swishy, so that's what we've been working on. So today, I'm finally going back into it. It's been a little bit of an issue to me to get her to lope. So we're going back to the lope and we're going to give it a go. Okay, so first things first, we're going to get her moving around in a circle. Now I do have the bed on her today. That's just so I can get a little additional control. And I am bending her, but she's got a little bit of an attitude going today, a little bit of a swishy tail. So we're going to get the circle nice and soft. I'm not really happy how her head's going up right now. So we're going to change directions, go around the other way. Now I'm being really soft on her mouth. I'm only touching her a little bit. I'm mainly putting contact with my outside leg to get her to go in a nice circle. There's some outside leg right there. So I'm going to ask for the canter as I come around. There we go. Oh, I love her canter. Now I stopped her. I didn't put any pressure on her mouth at all. That was really good. Really, really proud of her. That was a really nice canter. Now let's go over to the right lead. So we got the left lead. Feeling pretty good about that. That was nice. That was smooth. She didn't give me any problems. So I'm going to try the right lead now. Inside rein raise, outside rein. Just going to keep down a little bit. Just keep her going. Go in this nice little corner right here. I like to ask right as you're coming out of the corner. Oh, got the wrong lead. But she took off when I asked her to, so that was really good. I just need to get her nose in a little bit more. What I'm going to do is I'm going to use that inside leg. I'm going to pop up that shoulder. Inside rein high. Ask. And I got it. She's got a really nice smooth trot. Or smooth lope. Pretty proud of it. She's a big mover. That makes me feel a whole lot better.